And not even cancel. He just did not show up or nothing. And like bees be back there in that area where y'all see where the wall at. All of that is honey. So the person that Jordan got, he's gonna take that whole back part of the wall down, extract the honey. I ain't gonna lie, why not? You know, if you can get it for free, who gonna pass it free?
Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way.
I'm sitting out in my front yard, just relaxing. But yeah, just relaxing. And I was talking to Mama. Let me show y'all these flower beds over here. If y'all remember, a couple of years ago, me and Mom and the kids was out here and we was on a flower bed. And I don't judge it because we haven't been able to do it. We didn't do it any last year because y'all know that's when Mama found out she was sick. So nothing got done to her flower bed area or anything last year. And normally every spring we'll do it and we'll keep it done throughout the year until fall and winter hit. So I had came out here and I was just looking because our cousin had came and cut our yard. Let me show y'all this side first because y'all won't get a good look. And my mama nurse just went over there by her neighbor. So I was talking to her. Mama was out here with me, but she went inside because she's getting ready for her physical therapy. He's on his way. So we were just walking out in the yard, so that is going to help us some. But I told her I got to get something to kill these ants here, and then they got some towards the front sidewalk. But he came and did our yard yesterday. We can walk out here now. But this is one of her rose bushes, and it's starting to bloom so good already. And like I said, most of y'all done seen this because we shared it when we came in here and cleaned all this up for her. She did have some other artificial flowers just for decorations, but I told her I was going to take her for her birthday. But you guys that deal with any type of planting and gardening, y'all know the Easter snap, which I think that's what we've been dealing with these last couple of days. Everybody, the temperature will warm up, then it'll get cool. Like the old folks used to say, the Easter snap, it will kill all your flowers. So my mama want to wait until after this Easter snap is over. Then I'm going to take her to either Lowe's or Home Depot, wherever she want to go, or wherever she decide. And we're going to get her some flowers so she can plant. She's going to plant a few here around her rose bush. But right here on this side, and right here on this side, over here, Philip want to plant him some stuff. He want to start doing some gardening because he will be taking a class this upcoming year. He already selected it for middle school. It's an agriculture class, and he know they're going to be doing stuff like that. And then he's also a part of a STEM program, and they can do stuff like this for extra credit. So he wants to do that, and I'm so glad that he signed up for it. He's doing PE, and then it's another program he's doing. A lot of stuff he's interested in is like science, agriculture, marine, stuff like that. So I'm glad, and it'll get him out, just out and about. So I'm gonna let him go when Mama go and figure out what he want to plant, because then we'll just go head on and cultivate it and do all of that, get some fresh mulch and stuff. So we're gonna take y'all along to see that for those who are interested, because not everybody might not be interested in stuff like that. But for those of you who are, y'all gonna see that process. And then back here, she got another tree, and it does really well. We're gonna do this one, and Philip want to plant 2 more trees on this side of it, because we keep our garbage cans, of course, here. But Philip want to do 2 more, and then we got our entire backyard area, because he said he just want to do stuff. So I'm like, okay, well, we'll talk about it and discuss it. But like I said, as far as like the ant beds and stuff, we got to take care of that first. So, but we'll see. And me and Jordan and the kids, me, Jordan, Deontay, and Reante. I didn't ask Talia nor Alicia, but I know we was discussing it to get those bees taken down. And of course, Mama, y'all know we've been tussling with those bees in our backyard for some years. I mentioned in a video years ago, if y'all was following me back then, that our cousin supposed to have did it, and we had all the money saved up, because he was like him and one of the kids' former principals at the school. He has retired since, but that's what they do. And they was gonna come out and do it, but unfortunately it never got done. And there was another guy we had, well, let me show y'all that first. And there was another guy we had called to do it, and he said he was coming, and we actually had to pay a deposit for him to just come. We paid the deposit, he ain't never come. So luckily I had it on PayPal, so I was able to request my money back. And then he called back out, but by that time it's like, dude, I don't trust you. You already done just, and not even cancel, he just did not show up for nothing. But the bees be back there in that area where y'all see where the wall at. All of that is honey. So the person that Jordan got, he's gonna take that whole back part of the wall down, extract the honey, and we won't pay full price because he's keeping the honey. And if it wouldn't have been as bad, we would have actually came out on top because of the profit. But like I said, because it has gotten so bad, it's a big job. But like I said, we are getting a good discount off because they're going to keep all of the honey. And we want to get that down before the summer so Philip can comfortably play out here with his little friends. And then again, I got to get these ant piles taken down. Also, y'all know our family friend will come help us cut back our weeds every year. We don't ever let them get that bad with these, not pine, I forgot what these type of trees are called. But we never really let them get that long, like the branches on them get that long. But like I said, last year Mama had so much going on because we had all this cut down. So we're going to do it again before it get hot. And we like to just do it ourselves because it allows us to get out here and work. And then over here in that little area where y'all see a lot of that's growing up, we got to actually get the weed eater so and do it. Because like I said, when Philip and I be playing ball, we want to move his basketball goal over here and put it near the pine trees. So even though they'll be in the sun, they'll still have them a little shade instead of just having it here where we park our cars. And then if it's on the weekend and everybody home, we got to keep moving our cars. And y'all remember when Philip first got this goal, he didn't have it up that high. That's why I done got that tall. So anywho, that's enough about that part. But right here, I'm trying to tell y'all for her therapist come, because I know we gonna talk. And I told Mama, because I was sitting right here, because this is her upper part of her flower bed. Like I said, I know it look a mess and a lot of weeds, but y'all gonna see it in a couple of weeks. But Mama was like, man, she says she got some tulips growing. She got some spider plants, all kind of stuff that never was in here. And my mama was like, that is so amazing how all of these different trees and plants are blossoming in her garden, and she never had them. So when she was looking at it yesterday, she noticed that she's getting berries, and we never had berries. In all the years we've been living here, we had berries, but not here. The berries would be in the backyard by our fence line, but she is getting them in the front. Y'all see that red one? They got a green one, and then all over there, she's getting them. It's like they are everywhere, like it's in a whole round circle. Y'all see the green was there. Yeah, so and so like I said, this side and the other side, and then over there on that side. So we're gonna be doing that, and I'm praying that we can get it done before, you know, I have to go through whatever I gotta go through. But if not, we're just gonna take one day at a time and do it, because it's gonna get done. It is. So that's pretty much what we got going on, y'all. So hey, now y'all see me, I'm just same on me. I have to condition my hair because it's styled just like I had it yesterday with my curls, my wash and go. So I don't know, I'm feeling better now. When I first got up this morning, I was hurting so bad. I was able to see Philip off to school, but I didn't get him up this morning because, like I said, that pain was real. But it finally eased up. I had took a pill because Philip came in my room and I was talking to him. And then I had took a pill, and I went to the bathroom and laid back down. Well, I seen him get on the bus. I laid down for maybe 10 minutes, and I just got up and took me a long hot bath. I did my Bible app. I watched my Devo Energy, which is one of the church, the online church that I attend. And y'all have seen me share the service many times. So I watched that and just listened to the morning devotional and all of that. And I felt my body felt so much better. My spirits felt better. And I needed that. I really did need that. And then I went in Philip's room and I did I took his bed sheets and stuff off so I can wash his bed sheets and he can just make his bed up when he get home. I did go ahead on and order his bed today because we was trying to tussle back and forth on, well, not tussle, but it was kind of like back and forth. Like, boy, what kind of bed you want? You want this kind of bed? You want that kind of bed? And he was like, I really don't want a bed because I like my stuff on the floor like it is college style. And I'm like, boy, no. You get in his bed. And he really want those VR glasses. And he's going to get them for his birthday. But I think in his mind, he's thinking, if I get a bed, I can't get my VR stuff. I'm like, boy, you're going to get that for your birthday, which is in April. But you get in your bed. I know Ross's, TJ Maxx, and Burlington's be having like simple colors. And then they be having gaming stuff. So I'll either see online if it's cheaper to get gaming stuff. I know Temu got a lot of gaming stuff online. And I'm thinking about going that route because their quality is real good. Y'all know I done worked with them before, but this video ain't sponsored at all. And I told y'all I do buy stuff on my own. But I know also they want to work with me again. So I might just take advantage of that. I ain't gonna lie, why not? You know, if you can get it for free, who gonna pass it free? So that's pretty much what my day is, y'all. When her physical therapist leaves, um, I'm gonna straighten out what discard of a few things in the refrigerator, like seeing if some of the stuff old, like the teriyaki sauce and stuff like they got, like that they got in there. Check the dates and stuff, kind of clean that out because Jordan and Deontay, and I think Deontay gonna go with them Sunday, but I don't know if I'm gonna go or not because my doctor do want me to walk a little, not picking up nothing heavy or nothing, but they do want me to get a little exercise just for blood flow and just to keep my muscles going so they won't tighten up. And so it just depends on how I'm feeling and which one I go to. That can miss a day. So yeah, but I'll see y'all.